What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Master Up Motors, and this is your boy. Dang. Anyways, today, finally, I have got the piece that I've been waiting for. Put this bullshit on. It took a while. Took a lot of waiting. It's finally in, so I can get this ball rolling. I know the last video was a complete disaster, and before I start opening this 3D printer, I wanted to talk about it. Still working on it, not having a lot of luck. I have no idea how people create their own parts on this. It's like mind-boggling. Man, a lot of Googling. I was like really hoping there was like a community out. I mean, if there is, please by all means send me a comment. I was just really hoping that there was a community of people that just make 3D parts for like all kinds of cool shit, but no, it's not the case. I found a lot of RC cars. Maybe I can size them, maybe make them bigger and make it work. Beats me, I don't know. And also my 3D printer is not that big. I mean, I will show you guys in another video because it's not really based on that, but I have to figure out how to like chop it up so I can make bigger parts fit. But I digress. Anyways, let's get this open. I don't even know what it looks like. Yes. A rack. Look at this beautiful rack. Yes, just what I needed. Check out these racks, guys. Oh yeah. Now let's see if they fit. Alright guys, so seems that I've accidentally deleted the video that I just test fitted this rack. And guess what, guys? It doesn't fit. It's way too long. So once again, something is not working out. Just feeling very unlucky, guys. Very unlucky at best. Anyways, let's fast forward. Pretty much the video was just me cursing because it just didn't fit. It's like off by, I don't know, like three inches. Just so here I am starting to cut away this piece right here just so I can just get this thing to work. It's so annoying. All right, there you go. Mission accomplished. It's not the greatest of cuts, but let's do a quick little test fit. Will it go in? Yeah, it'll do. It'll do. Should do. Before I start drilling a hole, I'm just gonna drop this thing on top of the car and see if it fits, and then I'll just, I guess, like measure up the holes and do it to the other one. See if this works. Guys, I'm so happy. It fits. I did it. Guys, I did it. For once. And actually something I did worked. Oh, it's so beautiful. I just gotta make holes in it now. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you. All right, so I didn't bore you guys with the process of drilling holes. Although I just stuck a hole through there. I did tap it though for extra support, but let's just see if these line up. I do have some bolts that will hopefully fit. Guys, it's working. It's not the prettiest looking thing. Maybe I should have done this on the underside. Whatever. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be covered. I should have done. Oh man, why am I such a whatever. You know what? I'll just do that on the it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It'll still do what it's gonna be covered. You know, I'm just gonna tell myself that. It's gonna be covered. It's fine. Okay, one down. Officially in, good to go. It's there. I got one. I also just realized that I still have to make brackets for the other thing, but we will get there. I'm making holes in a bracket or in a piece of bar. Shouldn't be too hard, at least I hope. All right, so as expected, still another, I don't know, like 10 inches. I'm gonna measure it with some measure it with some masking tape. Why? I don't know, because that's what I got right now. All right, guys. Oh, maybe a little focusing action. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It looks fabulous. Honestly, you know, I didn't, how do I say this? So I ended up not building the brackets that I needed, mostly because I was able to kind of just squish it in there, and you know, it's kind of doing the job. I mean, it's not holding this thing up, but honestly, I'm just too lazy. I really just don't want to drill out some brackets. Maybe I'll do it some other day. I don't know. I'm not gonna show it on video unless you guys are entertained with me poking some holes on things. But that is not all, guys. I am gonna put light, so like you see those 4 holes up there? I am gonna put some lights on there. I have them ready to put in. How am I gonna mount them? Not too sure yet. It doesn't like come with a lot of mounting options. I might have to buy a couple screws long enough to make it work, because there's like a little mounting stuff on the bottom of it, but I need like, I don't know, a 4-inch screw. Oh, yes. Anyways, on a side note, practicing my 3D printing skills. Check it out. Definitely suits my personality. It's not the best quality. I'm still practicing on different settings and whatnot, but this little balloon animal definitely suits my personality well. I don't know why the side's flat. I didn't even print it flat, but weird. But anyways, I'm not actually gonna do that on the next video. I'm actually gonna do it on this video, and I will show you the process of me putting in these lights. Not sure how I'm gonna snake it in, but we can do that together. We'll figure it out, and hopefully, we can do it right. And I also got this one up here, which is zip tied and not even plugged in. It's literally there for aesthetics. Hopefully we can definitely plug that in, get those lights in, squared away, and I'll show you some money shots. All right guys, so this is the kit that I have right here. There's actually 2 different kits. They're all by the same company. It's called Night LED light bar, but I got 2 different kits, so that means they gave me 2 different kits. I'm gonna splice this right here. I don't like this switch. I don't like this button, so we're gonna get rid of that. But this button, I like this button. This one looks pretty cool. This wire, strange. They told me to cover it up and ignore it. So yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna have to do, is just ignore it, whatever. Yeah, so maybe I'll leave the splicing for later. Let's do the mounting first, mainly because I'm scared that they're not gonna fit. I mean, I already know that they're kind of like not even gonna fit, but I thought ahead of time. I got some nuts and bolts to make it work. Yeah, see, they're super long, so hopefully that works, but at least I'll have some extra relays and stuff. Hope I don't catch everything on fire. Probably the next hardest thing is snaking everything through, especially from the roof. I'm not really sure how that's gonna work out, but let's figure it out. Okay, so as for mounting, this is not it's not working out like I wanted it to. I was really hoping this would just be like, you know, I could just screw this in and it'll kind of just stay right here. I guess I could just put another bolt and kind of just tighten it like that. If I really have to go to a hardware store right now just to get this to work, I'm gonna be pissed. All right, so after some persistentness, I just tightened the living crap out of it until it couldn't budge. So yeah, she's pretty secure in there. Now I just gotta do it 3 more times and we can start wiring everything together. The ones in the middle are gonna be rough because yeah, I should have done that while the rack was off. I have a step stool somewhere. All right, finally got, wow, that one looks horrible. Jeez, on camera they are so crooked. Let me fix that real quick. So that's probably as good as it's gonna get. I had to like literally bend a lot of metal. I mean, you can't really tell. Like honestly, you can't tell. So it looks fine. Let's just keep it that, and we can start with the wiring. This literally took me like 3-4 hours just putting these things on. God, everything's so hard. All right, whatever. Let's just. There's still so much to do. All right, whatever. Let's just keep going. All right, guys. So just did a quick wire up. Just nothing too crazy. I just kind of wanted to see if this worked. It's definitely lighting up, so that's nice. Just wanted to check it out. Whoa, that's bright. I like that. Nice, nice. All right, now I just gotta wire that one, but I might do that later, but you guys get the general idea. Finally, guys. Finally, after some slicing and dicing and messing up countless amount of times, it is done. I have it like just wired up right here. Nothing too crazy, I just kind of pop. Oh man, that looks sick. I like that. Woo, bright. All right guys, and there you have it for today. Oh man, this sucked. Nothing worked. Nothing worked at all at this project. Everything I tried to do, I just completely messed up. When I was wiring this stuff together, I literally cut wires and I just reattached it when I just wanted to splice another. I was literally up until like 5 in the morning just trying to finish this thing. Nothing works for me. I mean, well now it works. I mean, like, yeah, I put everything back together again and it works phenomenally. It doesn't look very pretty from close by. I mean, from far away, it looks pretty amazing. But so anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Just remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and it'll let you know when I come out with another new video. Like I said before, I'm making some very basic things on these 3D printer. I'm gonna tell you one of the things is I need an exhaust hanger mount thing, so I'm gonna try to experiment on that. My exhaust is kind of dangling. But anyways, I'll see you guys next week.